Hey guys, it's Gary from DIY Electronics. I just wanted to touch base with all of my subscribers and future subscribers and anybody that is needing help with their Concord 4 or Concord Express panels. What I'm going to be doing as of today, you will no longer be able to purchase my Concord 4 or Concord Express chips on either Estes or eBay. I'm taking those off of both those platforms because I'm selling them at $35. After all of the fees and shipping and everything else and PayPal fees, I'm making zilch. Actually, I have to pay. It's like every time that I sell a chip on eBay, they send me a bill for $1.45 because the cost that I'm charging for the chip doesn't cost all of the fees and the shipping. They actually send me a bill every time I sell a chip for $1.45. What the heck? I mean, taxes and fees and everything else. And the same with Estes. Estes is going down the tube. I am shutting down my whole site on their platforms. Estes is just garbage now because nobody goes to Estes. Estes has too many rules and regulations and fees. Nobody's going to Estes anymore, so I'm getting off of Estes. I'm still going to have the chips on my DIY Electronics site, but I'm getting a lot of feedback that people don't know how to negotiate through that site. I don't know what the problem is there, guys, but I'm going to leave it on that site. The chip is for either Concord 4 or Concord Express is $40. I'm going to leave my PayPal link in the description below. So if you would like one of those chips, message me first so I know which chipset you want, either Concord 4 or Concord Express, and then send the $40 to my PayPal account, and I will send out that chip to you on your the address that is on your PayPal account. I will not send it to any other address. Whatever address is on your PayPal account, make sure it's up to date, because that's where the chip is going to go. I will not send it anywhere else. I've been burned way too many times. People saying, oh yeah, send it to this address and send it. No, I'm not doing that anymore. Sorry guys. I just have to be, strict this way, because it's actually, this thing is starting to become a losing proposition for me. But I still have customers out there. I want to help you guys. Same thing with if you want your Concord 4 or Concord Express chip red, I'm going to leave you an address down below, and that's $40 also. Okay. I just wanted to get that out to you guys. So if you are in need of a Concord 4 Concord Express chip, all the information is going to be down in the description below. I'm sorry for any inconvenience that this is causing anybody, but what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to save you money on these two platforms, especially eBay. How can anybody sell on eBay anymore unless you are a Chinese supplier? They are the only ones in the entire world that's making any money on eBay is China. If you're here in the United States, forget it. You're not going to make a penny. So I'm going to get off of that platform, and I'm getting off of Estes too, because the same with Estes. Only people from China are making any money on Estes because the Chinese government subsidizes all e-commerce shipments to the United States so that they can capture the global market. I'm not going to get into that. You guys know exactly where I'm going. But anyways, all the information is going to be in the description down below if you would like that chip. Don't try to go to eBay, and don't try to go to Estes as I have listed in my other videos. It's just too hard for me to go out there and find all my other videos and then edit everything that I'm off of eBay. I'm not going to do it. I'm just going to give you one video right here. All the info's down below. Thank you for everybody that I've helped out, and I've gone as far as I have given phone calls to customers. I've walked them through everything on right on the phone, anything to do with their Concord 4s and everything. Thank you all, and thank you everybody that has bought a chip from me. All right. Ring the bell. What's the other ones? Ring the bell, subscribe, like. That's the other one. Have a great day, guys.